everyone!
Come here, buddies!
No stress,
No migraine.
let's learn carbon compound with us.
Enjoy!
So, what is foundation? Foundation is a one-year program that offered by a certain universities. It is one of the fastest route for you to go to your degree later on. Here, UniKL MICET, we offer Foundation in Science program, or in other words, FSC, not only applicable for science students, but for art students as well. If you are interested with this program, the minimum required to pass is only with 5 credit in SPM.
This program consists of 2 semesters, and for semester 1, you will learn all 3 science subjects, which are physics, biology, and chemistry. And for semester 2, you can choose either you want to go for physics streams or biology streams, as you will learn more deeper about those subjects to prepare you for degrees. With FSC holder, there's so many degrees that you can go for, which varies in health science, life science, and informational technologies.
So if you don't know, Foundation is a self-sponsored program, but we do have scholarship, which is UTAF. You are only eligible to get UTAF if you get 6 A's for SPM, and you need to maintain 3.75 CGPA for both semester 1 and 2. But if you want to apply for diploma or degree program, we do offer MARA loan, and you need to maintain 2.75 CGPA for each SEM. Well, what are you waiting for? Let's come and join us here in UniKL.
So, what is carbon compound? Carbon compound is the compound that contains element carbons. It can be divided into 2 groups, which are organic compounds and inorganic compounds. Organic compounds originate from living things such as petroleum, stick, and charcoal, while inorganic compounds originate from non-living things such as limestone and carbon dioxide. Let's take a look at the structure of the palm oil fruit. This fruit consists of 3 parts, which is pulp, kernel, and shell. Alright, so for pulp is the middle layer of the fruit that contains the most palm oil. So for kernel is the part that contains the best quality of palm oil. And lastly, for shell is the layer that does not contain any oil.
Firstly, the fruits will undergo sterilization. The fruits will be sterilized with steam and high temperature, and why? Because the steam can kill microorganisms such as bacteria and fungi that can spoil the fruit. Then, the steam could also soften the pulp of the fruit and will make it easier to be removed from the batches. Afterward, the fruit will undergo digestion, in which this process, the fruit will be reheated at high temperature and pounded by rotating beaker arm to separate the pulp from the shell. Then, the pulp and the shell will be processed separately.
Now, let's talk about what will happen to the pulp first. The pulp will be squeezed with hydraulic or spindle press to the palm oil. Afterward, the pulp fibers are separated from the palm oil through the filtration. Lastly, it will be purified by flowing steam through the palm oil to remove the odor and eliminate acids, which causes the palm oil to become sour. Then, the palm oil will flow through the activated carbon to be decolorized. So remember everyone, firstly, the pulp will be squeezed to extract the palm oil, and then it will be filtered by separating the pulp fibers from the palm oil, and then it will be purified by flowing to remove the odor and eliminate acid, and lastly, it will be decolorized. Easy, right?
What about the shell? The shell, which contains the kernel, will be steamed at high temperature, and then the kernel will be separated and is dried to extract the palm kernel oil with a hydraulic or spindle press. Then, the kernel and also the palm kernel oil will be separated through filtration, and that's how you can get palm kernel. Easy, right?
What's the chemical properties of palm oil? Well, there's 3 of them. Number 1 is oxidation. Palm oil undergoes oxidation when its molecules react with oxygen or other substances, resulting in the formation of harmful compounds and free radicals that are harmful to humans.
Afterward is hydrolysis. Hydrolysis in palm oil happens when its molecule interact with water, resulting in the formation of glycerol and fatty acids.
Lastly, esterification. Palm oil undergoes esterification when its fatty acid molecules react with alcohol, yielding methyl ester, which is palm oil biodiesel.
have nutrition that is beneficial for us? Yes, of course it is. Palm oil is unique because it contains equal balance of saturated and unsaturated fats. This balance will help the oil is keep stable, and this will help for cooking and food processing. Another great thing about palm oil, which is its packaging with essential vitamin, which is vitamin E. As we all know that the vitamin E is powerful of antioxidant properties, which protect our cells from damage. And also another thing, vitamin A is important for our immune system and therefore skin health. Next, you are happy to hear that the palm oil is rich in antioxidant like keratin and vitamin E. These antioxidants help the palm oil keep fresh by the slowing down or eventually stopping the oxidation process.
In this modern society, you can see that the people who are responsible to manage their waste will not handle it properly, as most of the time they will discard it at the rivers that will eventually cause pollution to the environment, resulting in various health complications. Hence, let us learn on how to apply the sustainable management and in the palm oil industry and its importance.
Moving on to the next part, did you know that the wastewater used during the sterilization process will be made into organic fertilizers and biogas energy substances? Isn't it fascinating that we could reuse the water and gain its benefits? There is just so much more benefits to palm oil that we didn't even realize. The palm trees that are planted will be replanted once again once it harvests its fruits, because this type of plants only bear its fruits once. Hence, we could use the land again and again so that it won't end up being abandoned. Afterwards, since palm trees are being planted in a bulk way, we could have a lot of trees in our surroundings. That means more oxygen provided to us because trees produce oxygen during photosynthesis.
Lastly, the best thing about the palm oil trees is that you can use every single part of it. For example, the tree fronds can be mixed into fertilizer. Second, the trunk can be used to substitute wood. Then, the empty fruit branches can be mixed into the compost. What else? Next, shells. Shells are used to burn to boil water. Therefore, pulp fiber is mixed into carpets and also the textile. Last but not least, foam are turned into biogas and fertilizer.
So, do you think you can understand this topic better? Well, easy, right? We hope this video can help you for the upcoming exam. With that, we would like to conclude this video, and don't forget to do our quiz to test your understanding. That's all from us. So we would like to take this opportunity to wish you all the best for your SPM, and thank you for watching. Bye.